In the continuation of the online courses offered by many institutes, the Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO is also inviting applications from students, professionals and researchers for a free online course titled as Satellite-Based Navigation, a journey from GPS to mobile phone platform. Candidates will also get a certificate upon successful completion of the course. Now let's discuss about some of the important points related to this course. This is a 12-day course which will begin on 1st of March and go until 12th March 2021. The course is being offered through the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing or IIRS platform, which is a premier training and educational institution under ISRO. The course will be about the Global Navigation Satellite System or GNSS technology, which has various measurement and positioning technique that can be applied as per requirement in different applications. The course is designed in such a way that the first week's lecture will be dedicated to understanding the basic information about GNSS, which will be followed by its application in different areas in second week. No fee will be charged for attending this course or for its certificate. Course study materials like lecture slides, video recorded lectures, open source software and handouts of demonstration etc. will be made available through the e-classes. There are limited number of seats and registration will be done on the first come first served basis. Registration will end once the seats are filled up. Now let's have a look at who can apply for this course. Students pursuing their final year undergraduate course or postgraduate course in any year. Any technical or scientific staff of central or state government. Faculty or researchers at universities or institutions working in the field of GNSS technology. Users receiving program under CEC UGC or CIET. Institutions on High Speed National Knowledge Network or NKN. Now let's discuss about some of the important links to this course. Course updates and details will be available in their website, the link of which is in description box below. To participate in this program, the interested organizations, universities, departments or institutes have to identify a coordinator at their end. The identified coordinator will register online his or her institute at a nodal center in IIRS website. All the participants have to register online through the registration page by selecting their organization as a nodal center. And to apply for this course, you just have to click on the link in the description box and fill out your details. So that's all about this course, and if you have any questions regarding this, then feel free to ask me in comment section below, and for more updates and career tips, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.